to have you. Hello. It's really nice to have you on this edition of Mr. Love's online classes. What we'll be having today is a little bit different from what we'll be doing, but it still has to do with pronunciation tutor. Like I've said before, pronunciation tutor has to do with tutoring you or guiding you on how to pronounce some words. So today our focus will be on pronouncing names of fruits and vegetables. So what we did, we had to write out 10 of it on the board. So we get to learn how these are being pronounced. When we learn how they are being pronounced, then we can learn how to really use them properly. Let's go over to what we have now. We'll start with the first one. So I want you to follow along or tend to pronounce it, and I want you to also pronounce it too, so that you get to learn the correct way to do that. The first we have is cabbage. Now, oftentimes people get to pronounce it garbage, not knowing it's cabbage because it starts with the letter C. So it is cabbage, cabbage. If you notice, you see the way it is being transcribed. I also transcribe it because if I don't transcribe it out, you will not get to know. Now, these are the sounds, and sounds helps you to pronounce words correctly. So this is cabbage. You see that cabbage. That's a pronunciation to that. Now, your number two is banana. Banana. You see this where the stress is in the word, and you get to know where stress is in the word when you see the stress mark. There's a primary stress mark and there is a secondary stress mark. Now there's a primary stress mark right here, and that tells you the syllable close to that is where the stress is. So that is banana. Banana. The next you have is coconuts. Coconuts. Coconut. So we did not actually add that. That's where you have the stress there. Coconuts. Coconuts. The next you have is cucumber. Number 4. Cucumber. Now some persons will want to say, oh, okay, it should be cucumber. Well, we didn't just pronounce words. We pronounce words with the sounds. So if the sound there is being pronounced that way, then we should pronounce the word that way. But in a situation where you have the sound being pronounced in a certain way, that means you have been wrong all along in the way you're pronouncing that word. So that means that you need to learn the correct pronunciation. Now this becomes Q. You see this? There's U. Q. You get that? Cucumber. 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 The next you have in your number 5 is tangerine, 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 tangerine. Then you have this, so carrots, 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 lettuce, lettuce, lettuce. And of course here you have avocado. You see that? Avocado. So you have a stress here. So that's why I'm going avocado. So you go avocado, avocado. The next you have is onion, 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 onion. And here you have watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. So we'll take those names of fruit and vegetables again. Cabbage, banana, coconuts, cucumber, tangerine, tangerine, carrots, lettuce, avocado, onion, watermelon, watermelon. Hope we get to learn more of this. There are other names of fruits and vegetables, so we just have to bring out 10 of it so that we can use this in learning how to pronounce some names of fruit and vegetables. It has been nice teaching you today.